Today we take chapter number 7, statistics. In this chapter we learn subdivided bar diagram, percentage bar diagram, grouped and ungrouped frequency distribution table, primary and secondary data, cumulative frequency distribution, and also we learn mean, mode and median for ungrouped data. The word data means collection. Data can be numerical or otherwise. Now we take collection of data. Based on the method of collection, data can be classified as primary and secondary data. The word statistics is originated from the Latin word status, which means situation of states. This suggests that in ancient times, statistics was used for administrative purpose. Today, it is used in many fields of knowledge. Primary data, the data collected by the investigator himself with a definite plan in mind are known as the primary data. It requires more time. It is up to date and detailed information. It is correct and reliable. Secondary data, the data collected by someone other than investigator is known as the secondary data. This is obtained from books, magazine, internet, etc. It is readily available, so needs less time. It is taken from other collected data. It is not up to date. It may be less reliable. The given table shows number of trucks and number of buses. We have to draw percentage bar diagram. Approximate percentage to the nearest integer. We have to calculate the percentage bar diagram. So first we have to calculate buses and trucks, their percentage. So there will be 47 trucks and 9 buses. So 47 upon 56 into 100, we get 83.92, means nearly equal to 84%. Again in 2007-8, there will be 56 buses and 56 trucks and 13 buses. So 56 upon 69 into 100 means 81.15%. So nearly equal to 81%. And like this, to calculate this remaining 2008, 9 and 19. Okay. Now draw this percentage bar diagram. So 2006-7, there will be 84% of trucks. So to show trucks like this, so this is the percentage bar diagram. Trucks shows on this line and buses shows blank surface. So understand this. This is the percentage bar diagram. Practice set 7.2. Classify following information as a primary or secondary data. First example, information of attendance of every student collected by visiting every class in a school. Such a type of data is a primary data. Okay. Now we take second example. The information of heights of a student was gathered from school records and sent to the head office as it was to be sent urgently. This is the secondary data because this information is already available. So we say that this is the secondary data. Okay. Now we take third example. For science project, information of trees gathered by visiting a forest. This is the secondary data because this information is already available. So we say that this is the secondary data.